Your bath is here. I don't have any of your toys in yet. Stop being a baby, Call. Go in. I want to see if Tyrion likes to swim. Good girls. See if Tyrion likes it. Tyrion. Oh, you're trying to get to my strawberries and cream? I see how it is. Why don't you come see if you like to have a bath? You can just observe for now. Watch what the other girls do. You don't have to jump in right away. We'll put a towel on the floor to dry with when you're ready. We gotta get some toys, of course. Because what's a bath without toys? Whoa. I dropped half the toys on the floor. I'm being so loud. Okay. Here's one Call. Here's another. I think the green lid's in the other room. You want to try to go in, Call? You want to try to go in? Here you go. I didn't make it very deep today. Look at you, you're not even freaking out. You're doing it so good, look at you. Sniffing each thing just like Call does. Call does that. He shoves his nose in each one of those jets and just breathes. Well, I guess I could have made it a little deeper. You did great. There you go, Call. Go that way. Alright, Khaleesi. You want to dry off? You gotta go down there. You're a little polar bear. Alright. Alright. Khaleesi. Trying to use my clothes to dry off? Oh, you're swimming. Oh, you're swimming. I love when they go underwater. That's so cute. Go on the floor. There's a towel specifically on the floor for that. Plump, plump, plump. You baby girl. You just climb the towel when you want to come out. Nope. You want to come out? Come here. Come here. Don't freak yourself out. Come here, Kieran. Come here, honey. Come here. Come here. Just come to this side. You climb up on here. Come on. Come on. Come on. See, that's how everybody else does it. You learn very quickly. And you'll learn very quickly that you can slip in if you walk. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come here, honey. You could dry off. Oh no. You're making me nervous. Come here. Come here. I'll show you. You can dry off on the towel here. Only when they fully dry off do they want to jump back in. Very greasy. Right. Did you just land on your head? That's what that sounded like. Okay, little one? You okay, little one? Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Hope you're alright. You okay? That sounded painful. Hey. Oh. Are you nice and dry? Not so graceful. You starting to get it now, Tyrion? Oh, you dry off and then you jump back in. Oh. It's easier when you're on the pink towel because it's not so far of a jump. Oh, oh, oh! Honey, it's shallow water. It's actually more shallow than it normally is. Let's see if you like the noise. I don't want to scare her too much. We'll see what she thinks of the... Was that scary or was that something you want to hear again? A bit of both. Ooh. Are your little feet okay from jumping? Oof, oof. Come here. You want to dry off a bit? Here you go. Here you go. Get some help. Come on. Help you down. Come on, Khaleesi. Don't jump on your head again. That noise does not sound good. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. I'll help you. Come on. Good girl. There you go. Ooh. Oh, my clothes are always just the best place to dry off. So weird. Oh. Khaleesi. You learn so quickly. Are we all done?